So the EvolveX is a piece of non-invasive body contouring from InMode Aesthetics. What is great about the EvolveX is, again, it's non-invasive. It's very well tolerated on a pain scale. I would say probably around a 2. Every patient has a little bit different pain tolerance, but probably around 2, maybe a 3. It's something that patients start to see results very, very quickly. And it's a FDA-approved procedure for body contouring. So the EvolveX is radiofrequency. Again, it's external radiofrequency, non-invasive, very well tolerated. Some patients, when we have them come in for their complimentary consult, they may think initially they want a very invasive method. When we talk to them, it may appear that maybe they want to try something, maybe dip their toe in and see, is there a piece of body contouring that will still give them their desired result, but maybe they don't have the downtime for a procedure like our Body Tight. We want to make sure that they are given the best treatment for their concerns and that they can tolerate it well. Also, we have patients that have never been into med spas, and then we have patients that are frequent med spa goers. And so this is a great piece of equipment that's an introductory piece because it is so very well tolerated. We have many men who are very concerned about pain when they come in, and this is often a great piece of equipment for them. We really see EvolveX where we've had the best results are on upper and lower abdomen. I would say that's where we've really our patients have been the happiest, and we've seen the largest amount of reduction in body contouring, so fat removal. Because it is also radiofrequency, it tightens skin, so it's a very smart piece of equipment. So it's doing multiple things. Again, it's tightening the skin and then causing fat cell destruction below the surface. One detriment to the Evoke is that it's a procedure that for some patients may be a little bit too time intensive. So when you come in for the Evoke, we will recommend weekly appointments to start. So if you want to come in and say, well, I want the Evoke, but I can only come in every 3 months, you likely will not get the desired result. So for most patients, and not everyone is most, but the average patient will often recommend a series of 6. So we would recommend that you come in every week for about 6 weeks. We want to stay in about that 6 to 8 day range. So if you come in 1 week, we don't want you coming in on a Tuesday and then coming in the next week, a week and a half almost later, coming in on a Friday. We really want to stick in that 6 to 8 day range. And so you're coming in every week, again, for 6 weeks. And then the maintenance after that is quarterly. And the quarterly maintenance is lifelong. So this is a much more labor-intensive procedure. It is very effective, again, for skin tightening and fat reduction, but it is quite intensive in the number of treatments and the amount of upkeep. That can be fine for some patients who have a little more flexible schedule, but patients that have very difficult schedule, it's hard for them to come in to the spa. This would not be a piece of equipment that we would recommend for them.